Alright guys, we just finished doing this one. And this one. Yeah, I didn't get a chance to film it. But hey, shout out to Jared from Frontier Landscapes. He stopped by real quick. You know, he was in the area. He was like, yo, what's up? It was a pleasure meeting you, man. Awesome. We love when you guys stop by, you know, stop us and kind of say what's up. I appreciate it, man. He was real quick. Had to say what he had to say. I said what I had to say, and you know, pop smoke. Fellow veteran, I do appreciate it, man. Thank you for your service, Jared. All right, man. So now we head into a potential customer. We're gonna talk to her and see, does she want our services? It's not a bad property, but I need to see exactly what she wants us to do. So let me give her a call real quick. All right, guys, you see that? That's natural hair, so that's why we use pine straw. Look at all that pine straw, but this is dirty pine straw, right? And it comes from the trees. So what is the best thing to use? Clean pine straw all over on your property. Makes sense to me. Now the issue is, if you use regular mulch, what's going to happen is you're going to have a lot of pine straw sitting on top of your mulch, and it's pretty hard to get that stuff out of your your plant beds. All right, let me blow this a little bit here and I'll show you the end. Alright, so that's the back. That's nature, and this is the side. And that's the one I did the last time. Now this is going to flatten out. All the way around. Oh yeah. And this front. Good job, man.